Okay, so Anycubic finally got back to me, and they've requested that I spin the motor without the wash tank in place. So I think I did that in the first video, but I'm not sure if the factory actually has access to YouTube. So that video and this video may be pointless, but for everybody else, let's see, I thought it did okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Set it for 2 minutes here, and let's see what it does. Again, I thought I had done this, and I think it performed just fine, both without yeah, I don't have a whole, I don't have a reference, since this is the first cleaning station I've had from them, but the motor sounds fine. Just seems to be the problem when I put the tank on it, and it's got water in it. So I don't know. Let's see if they can make heads or well, let's see if they can make sense of this, because this portion of the unit sounds fine. It seems to be the wash tank that's got the issues. Let me speed this. I'm not gonna. It's not gonna stop and change directions, because I think it's 2 minutes per direction. So, but it vibrated regardless of what direction it was spinning. It would just, as soon as it got up to speed, it would just start vibrating. Alright, I will get this video posted and send them a link.